Welcome to Memories by Wayne's first vlog in Kentucky. This is just a little intro to the main attraction of this video, which is just a little more down the road in Kentucky. Welcome to Kentucky. We have a long journey yet to go. This is only the beginning. We are on I-65. We just passed Louisville, crossing over from Indiana into Kentucky. And this is the Kentucky Welcome Center. We're going to take a quick look inside here and continue on. Sun is just getting ready to set. Been on the road already for quite a while. Left pretty early this morning. And here's my daughter. Hello, daughter. There's a Welcome to Kentucky sign over there. Now I'm going to see what's inside here. There's a is there a horse? All right. Well, there's a lot of horses in Kentucky. And we do indeed have some horses over here. There you go. We got a fancy rental car for the trip. Alright, let's see what's inside here. Brochures, I'm sure. Welcome to my first ever visit at Buc-ee's. I've been to a Wally's, and now I've been to a Buc-ee's. Here at Smith's Grove, Kentucky. And you might be thinking, did you just take a road trip to go to Buc-ee's? Well, no, we're not just here for Buc-ee's, although that probably wouldn't surprise you guys too much if I did. We still gotta go much, much farther south from here. But tonight, it's all about the Buc-ee's. Now, my family doesn't want me to spend 3 hours over here, so we're gonna try to make this as brief as possible, but that's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. Been jealous of all the big YouTubers, and Woo, Justin Scar, Carpetbagger, Wally B26 doing their Buc-ee's videos. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for the Wisconsin one to happen. It's still not happening. Whole debate about infrastructure stuff or whatever. So we're checking out the one in Kentucky. And there is Mr. Buc-ee.
Sit. And act like you got some sense. Gus. Oh my goodness.
I can get your picture if you want to hold it. Alright. Let's head inside. a little cool for Kentucky, but oh my goodness. My kids really have no clue about what Buc-ee's is all about. I think they're gonna understand now. So I have a few goals here. I would like to get a Buc-ee stuffy. Not too big. There's one that has Smith's Grove on it. That would be cool. I want to get a bag of the beaver nuggets, as I think they call them. And possibly a t-shirt. And there they are. Oh, okay. Alright, cool stuff. Yeah, I might get one of these. I don't even know what the prices of these things. Yeah, this is not a Wally's. But boy, there are some similarities. Including the jerky. Not going to be buying any jerky today. I do gotta find the Buc-ee's nuggets. Or beaver nuggets, sorry. I'm not getting any sandwiches right now. Ooh, this is cool. Alright. I'm just a little overwhelmed here. Yeah, I don't really need too much in the way of food, but I do want to find those beaver nuggets.
I mean, I'm gonna do everything you get there.
There's Buc-ee. This is kind of cute too. I have to remember that one. That's $11.98. Ah, there we go. Just want to actually be able to say I tried these things. All right, one goal has been accomplished. Got our beaver nuggets. Free samples. All right, we're gonna try this.
How we doing?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you. Some kind of chips. All right, let's try the free sample. I kind of like sea salt chips. Kettle chips, definitely. Good. Apparently they have more than one kind of beaver nugget. Cinnamon, sea salted, and cinnamon. Yeah, we actually had lunch at Arby's not too terribly long ago. So I'm not going to be picking up any briskets or anything. I know folks don't want me to get the brisket, I've been told. Oh, there's the girls. Say hello. I am very happy. I still need to find my what stuffy I want to get, but Actually, it's not a bad price. That's a decent stuffy for $14.98, $15 basically. That's not bad at all. Little Buc-ee family. That's kind of us on this road trip. That's cool. Little Buc-ee's keychain over there. So apparently the girls already have a basket of gift stuff, so I think they're happy that we stopped here. Oh, this is a cool shirt. Oh. Greetings from Buc-ees, Kentucky, the Bluegrass State. Okay.
We're gonna do that this year. We're gonna come to Buc-ees. I'm not sure everyone's Christmas and Buc-ees.
Oh, Bubble. And Rudolph. Can't escape the frozen stuff, even out here. Well, better have the cowboy hats, you know. Well, I'd say I officially made it to a Buc-ees. How about that? Okay, looks like we have some t-shirts out this way as well. This is all our stuff. Oh my god. Oh, it's gonna be my first credit card purchase this trip. So they're gonna do their little bathroom stop real quick. Ooh, what do we got here? My friend On To Go with Flo stopped here because she lives in Kentucky and picked up one for me, but I want to get this too because it says Smith Grove. I might just get this and skip that t-shirt. I just wanted something that said Smith Grove on it, so that will work for me. The one she got me is kind of like in the shape of a Kentucky license plate and it says Buc-ees on it, so that's cool. So they're doing our bathroom stuff right now. I'm gonna take one more quick look through gift shop section. Oh my god, I swear I've seen Wally B26 wear this. Apparently my wife picked up the Santa Buc-ee. Yeah, same price as the regular one. Oh man, this smells good over here. No, I gotta stay away from this stuff. Get a little variety pack over here. Oh man. Oh, they're making the cashews. Oh my god, that's what I'm smelling right here. Oh, I love cashews. That's the Buc-ees in Smith Grove, Kentucky. Ain't gotten to Illinois or Wisconsin yet, but this is definitely the closest one to home. Ooh, nice. Outside grill. Cool. This is a breakfast area, so this is Chattanooga where we're staying overnight. On our way down to Florida, Disney World.
There we go.
This
See
is
if I can figure this out.
swipe the card. Good job.
Great job.
Alright, here's our fancy suite. Ooh.
Which bed do you all want?
Which bed do you
I'll
want?
sleep with this one.
Aw, it says welcome to Chattanooga, Christine. Aw.
Oh, yes, it does.
Which bed do you want?
Oh, look, they're welcoming me, not you guys. I'm
I
TV
want
edition.
the not just for a person.
Oh, we're gonna sleep in that one.
You're gonna sleep on this one?
I want that one.
Okay.
Alright, we got a microwave, we got a fridge. Ooh, fancy. We got a Keurig. That's like coffee stuff. Nice bucket.
Sorry, my suitcase.
Tell your sister that I switched you guys so that I can be by the AC.
Not sure what this thing is.
Hey, excuse me, when it's too cold to give you either. If you don't get out of here.
The AC is right here.
Hello.
Oh, that's cool.
There's a fancy mirror in that.
Alright. Time to get the rest of the stuff from the car. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably tack this on to the end of our Buc-ee's vlog. We are on our way to Disney World. This is our halfway point. Of course, the ice machine's out of order. Unfortunately, we will not have time to enjoy this outdoor pool. Not that I would go in it anyway. It is currently in the mid-40s. I don't get that. I know it is November, but we're in the south, and it feels like it's colder than it was up in Chicago when we left. Yeah, I think we were driving for about 11 hours today, and that doesn't even include any rest stops, lunch stops, or our stop at Buc-ee's. It's been a long day. This is our awesome rental car for the trip. Really nice Jeep Grand Cherokee that we got over at Avis in Crystal Lake. Awesome guy that works there. Pretty cool place. Highly recommend them. Finally have a vehicle I can show you guys without like doxing myself. I'm sure you'll see more of this in upcoming videos. Plenty of room. Not too bad on the gas mileage.
Oh, sorry guys. I raised.
So, again, quick summary. Yes, we're going back down to Disney World. We were last down there in 2018, in which I did vlog. I was going to say my vlogging style has changed quite a bit, and my vlogs have gotten longer since then, so I really don't know what to expect for this upcoming trip. And the upcoming numerous vlogs that you're going to see. Of course, going to have the usual Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios. We're actually going to Magic Kingdom twice. One at night for one of the parties, I think the Christmas party, I'm guessing. And this is the Holiday Inn Express, where we're staying for the night. So if you're among my much fewer amount of subscribers that I had back in 2018 when I took that Disney World trip, welcome back. Either way, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. This is going to be pretty fun. But it's time for me to head to bed because I got about 8 more hours to drive. Thank you for watching.